I think they can do some.
Try to calm it.
Let's go, White! Lucy's got her eye on it. Get it!
Oh, Lonnie. Come on, man.
Woo!
Well, number 7 and number 8. Number 6. Perrysburg has the same like symbol as Purdue. You know, like that one football team? You know what I'm talking about, Mom?
Hold on.
You know, like Perrysburg, like their sign, like the P?
Yeah.
It's like the same as Purdue.
Yeah. Let's go, White! Good job! Go! Get in there. Woo! Good job! Who they call it, man? I know, right?
Where's your other book?
You gotta take your phone with you to the bathroom?
Yes, I think.
Might not be toilet paper.
Might need it. That is true. That is true. I've had that happen before. I've had that happen before. And it's like, no, what do I do?
Travis, one time you guys go to try to sit in view of this. Call back the restaurant as you're sitting together. Like, it's really embarrassing. Watch the reaction.
Oh my God.
This thing is very boring.
Right? Hey, you know, you gotta, yeah, I bet. Who was yelling something? Get it!
Left him too far down the
Let's go, White!
You turn your head when you talk to the
Come on, get in there. You're pushing on me, I'm pushing on Nana. Here, ooh, watch the photo. It's very sensitive. Go!
Come on, leave me alone. Oh, he's not good.
Get in there! Get back, get back! Good job! Good job. Stay in the middle, Lucy. Good job. Oh, I thought they had it. Let's go, girls. Go, go, go. Avery, shake it off. Go. Get it. Go. Let's go, White. Oh, Avery. Let's go. Watch, Avery.
Is this tickle?
No.
Is this tickle?
Go. 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 God damn it. All right. Let's go,
Hold
White.
my hand.
medicine. She's got whatever funky thing I got going on. She can't breathe. She was in the ER last night. I think she said she's had it for, or maybe she just started getting it and they told her that it turns into pneumonia in about week 3.
Why aren't they doing something?
Well, I think they gave her some stuff, but they must not have gave her any inhaler. Because Brian said he wish he would have known. We could have brought that one that we're all using.
She has,
Kirsten community. We'll just wipe it off and.
she has pneumonia.
No. She's got like a phone.
It could turn to pneumonia.
Doesn't somebody have like an asthma inhaler? Wouldn't that work too to like open up their lungs? Let's go, White!
What happened to my inhaler? Very high pitched, isn't it? His voice it went very high pitched. Raspy. I said I think it went high pitched.
Come on, get it.
Crazy old bird.
Let's go, White! Get in there.
God.
Got that one. Good job, Sophia.
What's that one girl's name again?
Aubrey? Sitting on the bench next to
8.
Oh, come on, girls! Let's go! Let's go, White!
Come on, Avery.
They have,
How about
because they have the Sylvania team that we played last week. And then Lady Cat. So, yeah.
how about ow.
But that would be the Northview and the Southview. Right. No, Southview is West. Remember? Yeah. To the Cougars? Let's go, White! Let's go, girls! All right, let's go.
I like the jerseys. I like the jerseys. I wish I had some jerseys.
Good job! Go, go! Get in there. Now let's make these.
Come on, Avery. Two. See what Twitter does that, but then he's looking at her doing it.
Get it. Come on.
So I said, hey,
Get it. Good job. Go. Go. Oh, good job. Good save. Good save. Really good.
I don't know why I wonder the basket that counts basketball for it.
Good job.
holy moly. I got scared.
Let's go, White. Good job, Avery. Come on.
I'm not saying.
Let's go, White.
I never said that.
Good job, Avery. Good job. Good job. Let's go, girls.
You're pulling all my hair out.
Let's go.
Goodness.
Let's go. Come on. Woo! Let's go. Good job.
Now he has to put a skirt on.
Here, use my hand.
Now
to
let's
clap.
make these. Jesus.
Use my hand
Come
to
on, Avery,
clap.
you can do it. I don't know.
Use my hand to clap. No. Use my hand to clap.
I don't know.
Didn't you say Avery was a
Oh,
Yeah.
Kirsten? Kirsten has Octavia.
There we go. All right.
Kirsten has Octavia.
On Sunday?
Today, yes. She literally said, I'm not going to come because I have Octavia.
She has it?
Yeah, yes, that's what she told me. She said, I said, are you coming to Maddie Neighbor's game? And she said, no, I'm not going to come to them because I have Octavia.
Maybe his mom's gone. Maybe his mom's gone and he can't go there.
Don't forget to get I'll set. The funny thing was is I almost feel like I already bought it. Like that last year.
Let's go, White.
You know what? Maybe I will go home. You guys are gonna go to Lowe's.
I wonder if his grandpa's going to be there because I know he had surgery on his heart
Who?
that day, which is why she had her that other day.
Who?
Gabe's grandpa.
Who? kid.
No kid dribbling the ball. Let's go, Light!
Come on, Eagle.
The eagle fly high, eagle.